Ellen Olea, there will be no solid north. There will be no Marcos in the Philippines. Because I said that there will be no more Marcos. Here's the one thing, Kuya Kopio. Even Sangkay Janjan, Teacher May Tiburcio, Paulo Cruzada, and Jim Macasandil, and Ate Dina Guillermo, Ate Mel Canete, Teacher Evelyn Caja, Nino Bersaga, and Jab Magno, and even Paula Colin Nunez. Oh, just like I said before, there will be no solid north. All of you must ask Teacher Vincent Ramos. Oh, if he is an anti-Marcos, he said to me, I saw in his Facebook post, walang solid north. Just like what he said. Remember, when I was heard from Teacher Kel's sister, Barbie Pabelo, oh, when she curses Bongbong Marcos and Ferdinand Marcos Sr., at least she is very tough. She is rough and rogue. Oh, and I know she is anti-Marcos. She never voted Bongbong Marcos, she voted Leni Robredo. Like I said before, oh, if you don't listen anyway, Mami Ellen Olea, don't be a pro-Marcos. Because look at what happened there about the August 21, the assassination of Ninoy Aquino. Look at what happened there in the Jabida massacre. Hundreds of Shia and Sunni Muslims, they were killed by Ferdinand Marcos Sr., who were Filipinos. And hundreds of the Filipino opposition who were anti-Marcos, they were detained. Even I watched the movie of Vilma Santos, Dekada 70s, o Dekada 80. Remember that. If 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 we are anti-Marcos, we have our own freedom of expression. Just like I said, we have freedom of expression. We have freedom of expression. Me, I'm a pro Duterte. I am an anti-Marcos. Oh, I explained it to Mami Ellen Olea. I will never be a Marcos loyalist. I am an anti-Marcos. Why? Because really what happened to my idol Rodrigo Duterte, he was arrested by ICC and it was connected to Ferdinand Marcos Sr. and Bongbong Marcos. Oh, you see that Ferdinand Marcos Sr. and Bongbong Marcos are not truly Filipino. I hope that Lapu-Lapu, he can beheaded Ferdinand Marcos Sr. and Bongbong Marcos. Oh, they're ally of Ferdinand Magellan. At least I like Rodrigo Duterte. He's an ally of Lapu-Lapu. He's an ally of Andres Bonifacio. And then in the net, like I said before, that Kilusan Bagong Lipunan, they should be burned. They should be destroyed by Lapu-Lapu and Andres Bonifacio. That Kilusan Bagong Lipunan and also that pathetic Bagong Pilipinas. There will be no Marcoses in the Philippines. As might as well, I read this in the screenshot from Miggy Labitag and Matthew Timbal, and also from Carl Magno Vilus, that Ferdinand Marcos Sr. is the greatest robbery of the government. Might as well. Oh, Mami Ellen Olea, you should listen to Denzel Joshua. He's also an anti-Marcos. Me, I don't like Marcos. And I say again, I am an anti-Marcos and I am a pro-Duterte. Oh, this is what I say. Remember that, Kuya Kopio. There will be no more Marcos in the Philippines. You and Mommy Ellen Olea, I will say to both of you, walang solid north. There will be no Marcoses in the Philippines. Because the Marcoses are the greatest robbery of the government, of the Guinness World of Record.